me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie if you're new, and here on my channel I do a lot of cleaning and recipes and routines. So if any of that stuff sounds good to you, then you are definitely in the right place. Today is gonna be a Costco haul, a healthy Costco haul. We actually live an hour and a half from our nearest Costco, so about every 2 months we make the trip out there, and then we stop at Trader Joe's as well. So that's what we've done today, and I'm gonna show you what we picked up. We got some things that are staples in our house that we get every time we go, and then we also grabbed some new things that we've never tried before. So I'm excited to share all that with you, and let's go ahead and get started. And really quickly before we jump in, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now, and also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. All right, so like I said, some of this is healthy, some of this is not. So starting over here, this is a raw cheese. So raw means that it wasn't pasteurized, and it still has all of the health benefits and good things that raw cheese has in it. So this is really good. It's kind of stinky, but we use this over like chickpea pasta with butter, and that's a super easy dinner and delicious. Also, it's really good over eggs. So this is the second time we have gotten this. And then they were sampling this today. This is probably not good for you necessarily, but it was darn delicious. So this is just like an herbed cheese, and we got these crackers. These are Simple Mills. They're like gluten-free crackers made with almond flour, and the ingredients are crazy simple. Those are the ingredients, so they're really simple, and we really enjoy these a lot. So I got a box of these just to snack on. The kids really like it too, but those crackers are gonna be so good with this cheese right here. And we actually ate a really late lunch, so I'm not super hungry for dinner, but I am a little bit hungry, so I'm probably gonna have just some cheese and crackers for dinner tonight. Okay, and then moving on are these beef sticks. So we usually eat the Chomps beef sticks, which are really good, but they're kind of pricey. So we saw these, and I looked at the ingredients, and the ingredients were very simple. So those are the ingredients, super simple, and these are gonna be great for like easy, quick lunches. These are actually in the refrigerator section. They're very fresh. Andrew really liked it a lot. They're huge too, and it comes in a 3-pack, but since Andrew already dug into it, the other pack is in the fridge. So these are really gonna be good. You could even freeze these if you wanted to, if you knew you weren't gonna be able to go through them all quite fast enough. Honestly, I'm probably gonna half these when I go to eat it, because I don't think I can eat a whole one. They're pretty big. All right, and next we got a bag of organic dried mangoes. We get a bag of these every time we go to Costco. They're really yummy. All that's in them is just dried mangoes. So these are a really good snack option. And Emmy and Oakley really like these as well. And then this is one of the main things that I went to Costco for, are these Bare Fuji organic dried apples. They're so good. In fact, they're so good that I have to kind of pace myself, because I could go through and eat a lot of them. But they're really healthy, super clean ingredients. The only ingredients in them are dried apples, no sugar or anything like that. And I know that I'm gonna go through a bag really fast, and they were on sale today. So I didn't grab just 1 bag or 2 bags, but I grabbed 3 bags. This is a breakfast sausage. We love breakfast sausage. Oakley loves them so much. And it's a great way to just get some extra protein in the morning, along with some eggs and fruit. And these are the ingredients. It's just chicken raised without antibiotics, and then there's some spices: salt, water, parsley, rosemary, and vinegar. So I'm excited to try these. You also get a ton in there. There's 3 packs, so you can freeze some until you can get to it. And then these are one of the not necessarily healthiest options, but they are great for mornings where we just need to run out the door. So I got these for mostly for the kiddos, but I occasionally will snack on one of these too. They're pretty good. There's several different flavors to choose from. So this is more of just a convenience thing, not an everyday thing, but it's nice to have these. And then I showed you the crackers. These fruit pouches are really nice to have. We like to keep stocked up on these because the kids really like them. We keep them in the fridge at their level, so, well, mostly Emmy's level, so when she wants one, she can just go to the fridge and get it. One thing that I look for in the ingredients when I get these pouches is citric acid. It's a pretty good option because it doesn't have citric acid in it. It has lemon juice instead of that as kind of like the preservative, and I like that a lot. Next, we got some almond butter. I use almond butter a lot these days because I make these protein bites. If you haven't seen over on Instagram me share about it, they're super easy to make and they're delicious. So go over there for the recipe. I think it's actually on my wellness account, which is simplyessentials_Allie, and it's saved in the highlights there. But I make a vanilla spice one, and then I also make a peanut butter one, like a peanut butter chocolate chip one. So good. And I usually keep them in the fridge for like quick, easy snacks whenever we're hungry or just need a little something sweet. I also use peanut butter for like peanut butter sandwiches for the kids. And then we also like to have apples dipped in peanut butter for snacks. And this is a really good peanut butter. I always stock up on this because the only ingredients in here are peanuts and sea salt. The next thing that we got is a staple in our house. It's a kind of a newer staple, and it's the Rao's or Rao's marinara sauce. The ingredients are super clean and simple, but it also just tastes really good. It's not sweet like some of the other store-bought pasta sauces can be. It's got just a really good flavor. So we got 2 packs, which has obviously 2 jars in each pack. These jars are kind of big, so we don't usually even go through a whole jar at one time. We'll use like maybe half of it. And we like to use this on our chickpea pasta, and then we'll top it with this raw cheese. And then the next thing we got is avocado oil mayonnaise. We really like avocado oil mayonnaise instead of traditional mayonnaise. It's just a lot better for you. These are the ingredients, super clean, and so it's kind of like, it's guilt-free, honestly. Andrew has been making chicken salad with grapes and celery, and we have had that for dinner, and then it usually lasts us like lunch the next day, and sometimes even dinner the next night, because he makes a big batch of it and he uses avocado oil mayonnaise in that. It's super tasty. The kids love it, and it's good for them too. And then the next thing is this cauliflower pizza. Andrew has been wanting to try this for a long time, and he finally, I don't know why it took him so long, but he finally bit the bullet and is trying it. Comes with 2 pizzas. I can't say if this is good yet or not because we obviously haven't tried it, but I will let you guys know. Andrew is a huge fan of frozen pizza because he can just pop it in the oven when he's hungry. And yeah, so we have high hopes for this. Then we got these pure organic layered fruit bars. We got this last time we went to Costco, and they were so good. I was like rationing them because I knew they were gonna run out and I was gonna be sad. They're so good. There's 2 flavors, pineapple passion fruit, strawberry banana. They're not very big, but it's nice to have just like a little bite of something sweet. And Oakley and Emmy just love them. And then these, we got 2 boxes this time of the Pirate's Booty. We always get a box of Pirate's Booty when we go. They're just little cheese puffs and they're individually packaged. So they're super convenient for the kids. And we used to just get 1 box and it would last us a while, but now Oakley is eating them too. So we just went ahead and got 2 boxes. That way we're not gonna run out for a while. And it's just so nice to have these in the diaper bag when we're in the car and the kids are hungry. I don't remember if I told you this, but Trader Joe's is right next to our Costco. So when we go to Costco, we also go to Trader Joe's. So I picked up just a few things from there, and I'm gonna show you what we got. We got these organic unsweetened flake coconut, and the reason that I got this is to put in the energy or protein bites that I make. I just do like a couple tablespoons in the chocolate ones and in the almond ones or the vanilla ones, and it has just such a good texture and flavor. So that's why I got these. And then this was all Andrew. He got 2 packages of swordfish. I don't eat any seafood. I don't care for it at all. But Andrew has been so like thoughtful. Not that I've ever asked him not to eat seafood, but he knows I don't care for it, so he just never eats it himself, never cooks it. But he started to branch out a little bit, which I'm so happy that he's doing that because I know that he enjoys seafood. So anyways, he got himself 2 packages of swordfish. Apparently this is his favorite type of fish. And yeah, this will be a nice little dinner for him. I was just racking my brain because I thought there was one more thing that we got from Trader Joe's and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I just remembered my grandma pretty much every morning has ginger snaps with her coffee. And when Emmy goes over there and spends the night, she shares ginger snaps with my grandma in the morning. So every time we go to Trader Joe's, we pick her up a tub of those ginger snaps. All right guys, so that is it for the Costco and Trader Joe's haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more Costco hauls or Trader Joe's hauls, I have a whole playlist on those types of videos. Also, if you're in the need for cleaning motivation, I have tons of cleaning videos and they're all saved to a playlist as well. And I'll go ahead and link both of those playlists down below. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and do so. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. We would love to have you guys be a part of the channel. Also follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch. And then I have another wellness Instagram account, and that is at simplyessentials_Allie. And over there I share all things non-toxic. I show DIYs and recipes, and it would be really fun to chat with you over there. All right, so that is it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.